Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing, CEO, owner, and founder of the Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I've been in the appliance business for over 40 years, and I'm going to talk to you about the new smart all-in-one laundry units. So these are great units. I'm one of these people, when new things come out, I go, I'm not going to mess with it. Let's find out what's wrong with it and see if it works. And I've seen Calypso washer, they had the meat grinder washer come out from Maytag. So I've seen all these things come out. They got these newfangled machines and watched them fail and create all kinds of problems. So when this new smart laundry came out, I looked at it, I go, I don't think it'll work, but we'll see. Well, it's been out for several years, and to my amazement, it's a great product. So why is that? Well, number one, it runs on 110 volts. So that big 220 plug, you don't need it. You can plug it in where you plug in your iron. So you don't need 220 volts, which means it uses half as much electricity. It doesn't have a vent on it. So you can put this where you don't normally put your laundry. All you need is water, a drain, and a regular plug-in. Closets, basements, all kinds of different places. Another great thing is you only need one. So you have the whole space next to it where you had a dryer, which you can do something else with, or you can put 2 units in and you can do double the laundry. It's highly energy efficient. Now, why is that? Well, it has a heat pump in here and it's all in one. So you put your clothes in it. I have one of these personally. I didn't get it originally. I said, I don't want one. I don't want something that's not going to work, but I got one about a year ago. Throw it in, you close it, and it'll wash and dry your clothes in an hour and a half. Now, one drawback to it, the clothes don't come out crisp and hot. They come out kind of cool with the feeling that they're damp, but they're really not damp. If you want that crisp, hot dryer, well, you're gonna have to get a regular dryer, or you can upgrade to the Samsung, which uses a 220 volt dryer. So it'll be hot. However, it's not gonna be as energy efficient. It's not gonna run on 110 volts. So these use a heat pump. The heat pump is the secret to it. And they're highly energy efficient. There's great rebates on them. So if you're in the right area, you'll get extremely big rebates. Hundreds of dollars, $800 on these, bringing the cost down. Now, the big drawback to them is you have to clean the filters, like this filter right here. This filter has to be thoroughly cleaned when you use it. If you do like your regular dryer and don't clean it, it will burn out your heat pump because it has to ventilate properly. Other than that, it's a great machine. I highly recommend it. It is very convenient. You throw everything in. One time you're not dragging things from the washer to the dryer and having them sit in the washing machine and then going, I gotta move them to the dryer. It's all done in an hour and a half. Now the ones that are good are the GEs and the Samsungs. I can't recommend the LGs, although they're being redesigned because their evaporator and their heat pump system isn't big enough. So if you're considering these, they're a great machine. They're highly energy efficient. You will pay for the machine with the energy that you save over the life of your washing machine. So you definitely want to consider these. They're great machines and they legitimately work.